Today I'm going to show you how to start using our Kupp Code Analytics, a Visual Studio extension that helps Dynamics 365 developers code faster and easier. You can get it at the Visual Studio Marketplace. After installing and restarting, a window asking for a license activation will pop up. If you bought an enterprise license, pick enterprise type and enter your account token. If not, select single and fill out the remaining fields and hit activate. Now go to Extensions, Kupp Code Analytics and hit Configure. You are now prompted to connect to a dynamic CRM system. Enter all required fields with your data, hit Test D365 to verify the connection. And after hitting OK, the extension starts loading the metadata from the system. Let me show you a small scenario of how things work. As you can see, the first parameter of query expression would be the entity. So all standard and custom entities from your system are shown in the list. Every time we enter something related to the account entity, the appropriate metadata is shown, which in fact saves us a lot of time that would be wasted by taking a deeper look into the CRM system. In this case, we would need attributes of account, which are shown in the list. This resolving algorithm also works for more complex scenarios. As you can see, the getAccounts method returns an array of account entities. When accessing one or each of the entities, the correct metadata is shown. As you could see, our tool makes D365 development way faster and more convenient. Don't forget, you can get Kupp Code Analytics anytime at the Visual Studio Marketplace.